So for today, I'm going to teach you how to send USDC to your Phantom wallet. So first, you need your Phantom wallet to be installed on your mobile device, and after that, you need to open it and access your account by entering your credentials and linking your wallet. So after that, you will going to click the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen, and make sure that you click or you use the search bar for you to able to search the USDC. So there are different network that USDC accepts, which is the Ethereum, Solana, Base, or the SWI. So for example, I'm going to use the USDC in Ethereum based. So it's this one. So after that, you are going to go on your dashboard again and make sure that you have enough Ethereum coin. So for you to deposit Ethereum, you need to click the Ethereum right here and click receive for you to able to generate your wallet address. And once you click in, you will see a QR code or alphanumeric code, which is that is your wallet address, and you have to screenshot or copy your address and make sure that you deposit enough balance of Ethereum for you to able to swap Ethereum to USDC. So for you to able to swap Ethereum to USDC, you were going to click the trade button right here or swap button on the middle part, and after that you were going to click this one, and after that you were going to search ETH. So in my case, I don't have any ETH, so that's it. Or even Solana if you choose Solana network, and make sure that on the you receive part, you will click the USDC coin for you to able to receive or swap from Solana or Ethereum or even Base network onto the USDC. So for example, like this, I set in the USDC onto the Solana network. So for example, I want it in Ethereum. I'll just search it and click the Ethereum. And so on the UPay section, you have to tender the amount of Solana you wanted to swap for you to able to receive your USDC token from the Solana network. So for example, like one Solana is equivalent to 119 USDC or 119.45 US dollars. So after that, if you wanted to swap it, there is a button below which is the transfer or the swap. So in my case, I don't have a balance on my Solana, so it says insufficient funds. But if you have enough balance for you to swap, you will see some button like swap or transfer, like that. And that's how you send USDC to your Phantom wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. If you got questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.